Mastercard remains committed to crypto card expansion despite regulatory hurdles. Good morning, lovely people. I greet you with love. I wish you a wonderful day. Let's get started with today's blog. Mastercard has announced plans to expand its crypto card program by partnering with new crypto firms, despite the recent regulatory crackdown on the industry. The company has already established successful partnerships with prominent crypto exchanges such as Binance, Gemini, and Nexo. Mastercard's unwavering enthusiasm for crypto. Mastercard is determined to continue collaborating with crypto firms to broaden its crypto payment card program, even in the face of increasing scrutiny from global regulators on the emerging digital asset sector. Raj Damadharan, Mastercard's head of crypto and blockchain, told Reuters, "We have dozens of partners around the world who offer crypto card programs, and they continue to expand. Providing access to crypto in a safe way is also part of our value proposition, and we're continuing to do that." This move demonstrates Mastercard's commitment to its crypto initiatives, having already partnered with major exchanges like Binance, Gemini, and Nexo to issue crypto payment cards in select countries. These cards enable users to make fiat currency payments funded by their crypto holdings on digital asset exchanges like Binance. When asked if Mastercard intends to impose a limit on the funds that can be sent to crypto exchanges via its payment network, Damadharan stated that the company is not attempting to pick winners or dictate which transaction should happen or shouldn't happen. He also noted that Mastercard requires users to undergo thorough compliance checks and has invested significantly in crypto analytics technology. Banks grow wary of crypto clients amid recent industry troubles. Mastercard's decision to forge ahead with its crypto card program comes as banks are becoming increasingly cautious about dealing with crypto clients. Recent high-profile collapses in the industry, including FTX, Celsius Network, and Terraform Labs, have drawn the attention of U.S. regulators who argue that the crypto market lacks sufficient compliance. The ongoing banking crisis led U.S. regulators to shut down 3 major crypto-friendly lenders in March, leaving crypto firms scrambling to find reliable banking partners. Silvergate Capital, Signature Bank, and Silicon Valley Bank all collapsed within weeks of each other last month, prompting regulators to question the sustainability of bank business models heavily reliant on crypto. Despite these challenges, Mastercard's decision to expand its crypto card program indicates a strong belief in the potential of the digital asset industry, even as it faces mounting regulatory pressures. "I'm not an expert on blockchain, banking, or finance. I'm simply documenting my journey on the evolution of money and Web3. I'm not a financial advisor. We appreciate that you took the time out of your busy day to watch our content. We upload content frequently. Thanks for your support."